Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's topic is all about how to live a long and healthy life through yoga. We will be discussing 5 yoga asanas that can help you achieve a long and healthy life. So let's get started. Tadasana Mountain Pose. This asana helps to improve body posture and balance, which can prevent many health issues related to the spine, shoulders, and hips. To perform this asana, stand straight with your feet hip-width apart and arms by your side. Inhale and stretch your arms up towards the ceiling, and raise your heels off the ground. Hold for a few breaths and then release. Trikonasana Triangle Pose. Trikonasana is an excellent asana for strengthening the legs, hips, and core muscles. It also helps to improve digestion and can relieve back pain. To perform this asana, stand with your feet wide apart, turn your right foot out, and extend your arms to the sides. Exhale and bend to the right, placing your right hand on your ankle or the floor and extending your left arm up towards the ceiling. Hold for a few breaths and then repeat on the other side. Bhujangasana Cobra Pose. Bhujangasana is a great asana for strengthening the spine, shoulders, and chest. It can also help to relieve stress and anxiety. To perform this asana, lie on your stomach with your hands placed under your shoulders. Inhale and lift your chest off the ground, keeping your elbows close to your body. Hold for a few breaths and then release. Vrikshasana Tree Pose. Vrikshasana helps to improve balance and stability while also strengthening the legs and core muscles. It can also help to calm the mind and improve concentration. To perform this asana, stand with your feet hip-width apart, and place your right foot on your left thigh. Inhale and raise your arms over your head, bringing your palms together. Hold for a few breaths and then repeat on the other side. Shavasana Corpse Pose. Shavasana is a relaxing asana that can help to reduce stress and anxiety, which can lead to a longer and healthier life. To perform this asana, lie on your back with your arms by your side and your legs extended. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, allowing your body to relax completely. So those were the 5 yoga asanas that can help you achieve a long and healthy life. Remember to practice yoga regularly and listen to your body's needs. Yoga can be a powerful tool for maintaining good health and wellness, so make sure to incorporate it into your daily routine. Thank you for watching and see you next time.